Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will teach you how to add TikTok Pixel to your Shopify store. But before we get into that, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content like this. So just simply go on your website and click on settings at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're here, you're just gonna want to scroll down until you find apps and sales channels. So simply tap on that and it will take you to this screen. So all you have to do is just tap on Shopify App Store. It's going to take a while to load, but when it does, this is where you're going to see all the apps that you can add to your store to make your store better for customers and yourself. So just tap on the search bar and then type TikTok Pixel. Once you do that, just search it up and this screen will appear. You will find the TikTok apps here and then just simply download them and put them on your website. So this is how you find the TikTok Pixel, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.